and here we are, my boys. And just imagine my happiness when I recorded this video, but the mic was not on, and all the quality was just horrible. So I'm going to record this again. So I'm so sorry about that. But anyways, let's go. Let's go. First of all, if you want to create library to NPM and to deploy to it, you need to, of course, have a rollup file. And what this basically does, it transforms all of this into something like this. Not like that, not like this. Yes, it's magic. No, it's rollup working. So to do that, you need to install at least all of these dependencies, and if you don't want to copy all of this, just access the first link on the description that you are going to have access to this project that I am creating right now. And to understand this, you need to have like the input, that is the file where all of your main file, like it happens in your app.js, for example. And in my case, it's only just like picker, that is a simple emoji picker that if go here, that's basically that's my library. And as we know that we have our input, we need to show where it's going to be after our conversion, our compiling is done. In our case, is going to be this ESM index.js, and there we have it. Okay. In your case, if you did not run this command yet, it's going to have nothing. Okay, so we just calm. Okay, keep calm. And these two fellows in here are only for security reasons, but I recommend you using. And external is like dependencies that you are using. So when we go in here, you can see that we import these dependencies like use memory, etc. But if we did not do that, what it would be doing, it would go to the React library and it would be importing all of React code to our humble library, and we don't want that, right? So that's the reason why you go in your package.json and you see all of your dependencies that are in here, you go and put them in here. Okay, brothers. And now that you know that, if you're using TypeScript, and I hope you guys are doing that, you need to install the rollup plugin TypeScript, okay, and only show where your TS config is. And resolve common.js source maps are basically the basic stuff that you want to have. Post CSS and Terser is really important, otherwise it's not going to be so unified as my is. Okay. And Babel is really useful to be, at least in my case, I'm using style components to render on server side also, and that's the reason why I'm using that. But if you don't know what this does, you just copy it and probably going to be working just fine in your cases. Okay. And in here we have like our type, so when all of this runs, we go to the second one, and if you wanted to do something extra, we just do something like that and it would be working. So what this second command does, it gets the, it created a type, okay, your TypeScript types. So this first command generated this, and now we want to generate the type so our users can know which commands and which properties they can use. And to do that, we run the output that is going to get this file and going to transform into this one. But in my case, it's really simple, at least this example. But if you want to see something more advanced, we can go in here and it's going to be generating something like that. And that's basically it. And now that we know how to generate TypeScript and also our unified bundle, we can go to our package.json and we can give our version a number, and we also need to change something, at least in my case, so just, you know, remove that. And now number of your version, and also you need to know your repository. In my case it's GT emoji, And also be careful with the name, because after that your library is going to be named with this, and I want this name. And also now we need to have this script that's going to be generated the rollup code. So if you now open up your terminal and run npm run rollup, it's going to be generating this command, okay? And after that is done, we can go and publish to npm. And to do that, we just run npm publish, and always be careful that we only can publish one version at a time, so we can publish the version 2. The version 2 twice, only once, okay? And now if we run npm publish, it's going to be publishing to npm. And if now we go to npm, if you go to npm, you can see that we have our version 0.0.2, okay? And that's basically that. And if you liked this video, don't forget to leave your thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all.